want to just bring up and then before we go, because
Yeah.
I have crystals in my house, and you have a lot of crystals here, that every time there's a full moon, I have to haul them outside, clear them, or I have to sage them or whatever. This clear my crystals, I don't know why I didn't know that I could just purchase this and clear my crystals myself. How
Right.
often do you use it though?
Okay, so what I would say is, how often do you feel the need to clear your crystals?
Well, when people come to my home, the energy,
Right.
you know, I want to clear that out, so that's what I usually do, sage or incense or something.
Okay.
But, and then also once a month I try to for sure do it, but like I said, I'll be asleep, I'll be like, oh my god, I gotta take my crystals outside, you know, and then I have to get up and do it, and then it irritates me. So
Right.
this is something that I probably would do it at least once a week, maybe 2-3 times a week. I don't
Right.
know, depending on how many people have been in my house. I mean, we have 4 people that live there now. So.
And this is a really unique formula. It's got this rare orchid in it, and before we found that ingredient, I mean, it's a simple base formula compared to our other ones, but it's the only thing I've ever used that if I douse, I'll see that it actually cleared the energy from certain metals. Because crystals you should be able to clear, but metals, it's said that you can never actually clear. Like when something deposits into them, you can't get it out. And that's why, like, if you go to a pawn shop and you buy like some wedding ring or something,
Having their energy, yeah.
yeah, you can't really get that out. You can get out of the crystals, the diamonds, whatever, but it's harder to get out of the metals. This I find actually works. Not only good for that, but I also use it on myself. Like, this is one of my favorite clearing sprays, and I just want something simple, but that helps lift. And my friend Molly, who was like a big proponent of the spray when I first developed it, she had a crystal shop in Baton Rouge, which is still there, and we're still part of it. But she used to say that, well, my DNA is crystalline, and so this clears me too. I should spray it all over her. And I do find that it's a nice alternative, or if you just have this and you don't have Release It or something, I would use this. Release It is a little more robust, it's deeper, but this is just a nice, like, light, but really effective. Think about that particular formula, at least for me and the people I've used it on, seems to have a lifting effect with that particular type of discomfort. But the energy of it just kind of, you say, like, how would you experience that?
Yeah, I think it's like now, I've never used it before, but now I'm feeling it, so I wish that I had severe nerve pain. I'm going to use it every day, I'll tell you what happens, because I have severe nerve pain, chronic pain. That's why Jayme and I that's why I reached out to her, and she's helped me a lot, but I don't know, for some reason, the universe hides things from you until you're ready to receive them. Don't you believe that?